Hello, welcome back to Easy Updos You Can Actually Do. This series is all for busy women who just want to do a little extra something with their hair and they want to do it themselves. If you haven't seen parts 1, 2, or 3, go check them out on my channel. If you like easy hairstyles, make sure to subscribe. Today's updo is going to be a little topsy tail and then a braid looping back into that topsy tail. For this hairstyle, all you're going to need is a big hair elastic, a tiny little clear elastic, and then 4 or 5 bobby pins. Let's get started.
First, you're going to put your hair into a ponytail in the center of your head. Pull the elastic out to create some space. Now use your fingers to open up the hair in that space and create a hole that you can flip your ponytail into. This is called a topsy tail. Now you're going to braid your ponytail, and this is a regular 3-strand braid. Once you've tied it off with a clear hair elastic, pull on that braid to give it a little extra volume. Now you're going to take the end of your voluminous braid and stick it back into the hole you created earlier. Use bobby pins to keep everything together, and this is your fabulous updo. Let me know in the comments if you try this.